This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Chevrolet paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.